like probably a month prior the concert we had last November.
Right.
And what happened was, so at first I was meant to write Too Cool to Care and Cold, right?
Yeah.
And then time was passing, and then like I was like, okay, you know what? Kuya Vinci shot on Cold, and then there it is, and then Cold finally happened, and yeah, let's go. You know, here we are now. Fast forward, March 2025.
Wow, that took some time.
We are here, and we're gonna watch the music video.
We really loved listening to the demo of Cold, because first it was in Korean, but when they came to us to write the lyrics for it, they told us they wanted it in full English.
Yes.
So it is in full English. The whole song is in full English. And what inspiration? Did you have any inspiration while writing the lyrics?
So during Cold, obviously, Cold is about
what is Cold about?
feelings. Okay, so Cold is all about feelings turning cold.
Okay, sige.
Right?
Yun muna.
Turning cold.
Tingnan natin yung ibang members kung ano yung feeling nila
About Cold?
Oh yeah, like what do you think Cold is about sa lyrics?
Okay.
Jeremy.
Ba't ako una? Porque
Ikaw yung nasa tabi natin!
I mean, like for me, yung Cold is like about siya sa isang tao na like yung feeling siya sa isang tao is parang naging cold na.
Oh. Naramdaman mo na ba yun?
Yeah.
Oy!
What?
Kay Anika.
Yeah.
Sa kapatid mo. Kasi nung galing kang Korea, tapos pagbalik mo, hindi ka cold na siya. Oo nga, sabi niya nga sa akin. Tapos, pero nakilala ka naman ulit ni Anika.
We're spending time na lagi.
Oh.
Other members.
Oh, Winston.
Bakit ako? Kim mo na?
Winston mo na!
Magdadaan din naman sa inyo.
Hindi.
Kasi pag naunahan
Kasi bongga yung sa akin eh.
Bongga daw yung sa akin.
Bongga. Kasi pag nasabi niya na, hindi mo na masasabi.
Okay lang.
Sa akin kasi based sa pagkakaintindi ko, based sa lyrics.
Go.
Sobrang, feel ko, tulad ni nga, sabi ni Jeremy, it's about feelings na parang naging cold siya. Yun yung sa akin.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Wow.
He just plagiarized Jiro.
Yeah, okay. So, fifth highlighter. What do you think?
I give that a 5 out of 10.
Okay. Yung meaning ng Cold para sa akin is yung dating mga alaala niya na like may moment kayo na masaya kayo together, and tapos alam mo yun, yung sa isang iglap lang like parang nagbago yung lahat.
Parang sa inyo ano mo na.
Nag-ano kayo lang, parang hindi na kayo nagpapansinan, gano'n. May something else na nangyari, gano'n. Yung something like that, yeah.
Yeah! Then, parang mataas yung score niya, no?
Yeah.
Sa tingin mo, Marcos.
Yeah, that's good. In detail, man.
Okay, meron siyang original idea, di katulad nung bago sa kanya, may nakopya ng siya lang.
Hindi kasi ganun talaga yung ano ko.
Okay.
Isn't wrong though.
Diba, kaya ka maganda nauna ka, kasi pag naunahan ka na, wala na.
Sabihin, gaya-gaya ka na.
Pero original mo pala talaga eh, ikaw yung gaya-gaya.
Bakit ako naka-original ito?
Okay, ito na yung pinaka-bongga.
Bongga daw, bongga!
Okay, palapakan.
Okay. Sa lines ko kasi, ito, may ano siya, parang fantasy.
Wow. Fantasy.
Ano yung fantasy natin?
Diba yung
Power ba yan?
Fantasy.
sakto lang, parang napanood yung ata eh.
Anong may
Yung parang sa lines ko, lips blue, lumayo parasa.
Diba?
So it means, wala akong pakikit. Blue pa yung lyrics ko. Wala akong
Oh my God!
Kasi avatar ka. It's blue.
Avatar! Okay, guys, the support ni Kim nga. I wrote that part. I wrote that part. Lips blue no matter what I say. Like you have cold lips. Like whatever comes out of the person's mouth, it's like it's cold. Like the you know, there's may hint of like wala na yung warmth, kumbaga.
Yeah.
So yung interpretation ni Kim.
Avatar.
Kaya sabi din, those eyes are warm like the sun before.
Yeah.
Hindi man lang Smurf. Avatar.
Maraming pumasok sa isip ko.
Pero
kami, hindi kasi ako sa phone niya.
Matangkad kasi si Winston, kaya
tama.
Oh.
Tapos nga Kim Smurf, siya yung naisip ko. Kasi di ba lagi siya nag-avatar.
Ay, oo nga. Siya nga yung mahilig mong avatar.
Avatar.
Pero ibang avatar yun.
Oo.
Dalawa kasing avatar. Tapos meron yung avatar na kulay blue, mahaba yung buhok. Tapos kumukuha
Yung avatar, kalbo na isa. Tapos may araw sa ulo.
Parang may apocalypto na rin.
Yung ginaya nila.
Oo, yung may si Bato.
Ano yun? Nakita ko nga yun, napanood ko nga. Mga clips.
Apocalypto.
Okay, we're tracking off. Anyways, ito, Q&A for our anchors. Saan nyo tingin shoot namin yung music video?
Yeah.
Where did we shoot that?
Any guesses, guys? Any guesses?
MOA. Can
Someone
you
says
say what
MOA.
MOA is?
Like,
People are saying MOA.
lahat, like in detail, dapat masabi.
Yeah, full name.
Bawal yung...
Mainit yan eh.
MOA.
So with your answers, say your name, age, and height. Tapos your answer.
SMO Sky.
Oh wow.
No, that's not...
SMOA?
What is MOA?
Yeah, what is that?
Ano, what is
What does it
SM2?
mean? This is a quiz, bro.
You need to like, lahat.
Hi. Mall of Asia, walang SM.
Learn.
Anong SM? Mali.
Walang ba nagsasabi ng SM Mall of Asia?
There it is.
Man.
Ayun!
Meron Lisa.
Oh yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations.
We did shoot it. We shot it
At SM Mall
of Asia with wearing bench.
Just like today we wear a bench.
Bench.
Yeah, special thanks to Bench because they provided the clothes for the concept photos and of course the music video. So we appreciate that. And Bench is nice, you know. I love their clothes. I really love.
Yeah.
So we really appreciate that. Bench X Horizon, guys. Let's go.
That's it.
What was your first reaction when you saw the MV teaser, guys?
To those who
Yeah.
like, nakakita kanina.
No, the teaser.
The teaser was yesterday.
Yeah. Sabi ko ang music video.
MV teaser.
Teaser. Teaser. Yeah. So what did y'all think about the teaser?
What was your first reaction? Excited po. Oh, thank you. Di ko pa na CBC. It's fine. Now you are not busy and in... How many minutes is that?
Ilang minutes na lang ba?
Kailan ba
16?
release yung ano?
So in 60
minutes na lang.
6 minutes?
16
16 minutes.
Yes.
Like,
Bago i-release?
Yeah.
5 p.m.
Wow!
Wow, original.
Before I go to sleep.
Hi,
Wait,
baby.
ko na pa kinakanta ngayon yung 20s.
20.
On you. The ice cream is...
Guys, meron
Now
kami
I'm feeling
here.
so cold.
Yay! We're feeling very, very cold. We have ice cream.
Get a kiss goodnight, baby.
Oh, ang dami. Ano, paper bag din sinama.
Ay, sorry.
Wow, amazing. Let's go.
Okay, kuya.
It's the pan, this is the toasted
Sa'yo,
cacao. Hindi, sa atin yan. Sa atin lahat yan.
With ice cream.
Yung parang sinasawsawan.
Kasi nasasaw yung ice cream dito.
Ay, palam.
Yo, it's toasted siopaw.
Toasted siopaw.
Why do we have siopaw? Wala lang?
Pusa.
Ay,
Joke lang.
Lagi mong may gustong... Of course.
Do you guys take your spoons?
Ngayon na? Later.
Maya,
Later PM.
10 p.m.
pagkalabas ng ano.
We have 15 minutes more para meron tayong grand.
Yeah.
Ayun, sige, keep to.
Kasi
Kasi matigas pa din to, di ba? So, hindi pa natin makakain. So, yeah. What more are they saying? Kim, you're glowing.
Wow!
Kaya
Nice.
Wow.
Kaya gusto rin ni Winston pumalit ng pwesto sa
Ganda,
akin.
no?
Lights din ang light.
Okay guys, since we have ice cream here, I'll ask you guys what's your favorite
What's your favorite?
flavor
Okay.
sa mga ice cream?
Ikaw muna. Ano sa'yo?
Mine
Isa
is...
lang.
Isa lang.
Pwede
Chocolate
three.
man, friend?
3 in 1 plus 1. Kape.
Oh.
Actually, yes.
Kape?
Pistachio?
Actually,
Chocolate.
chocolate.
Actually,
Chocolate bar!
And you? Biscoff. Biscoff.
Ano yun?
Ano siya? Biscuit. Parang crisp.
Brand siya ng cookie ba?
Yeah, basta masarap.
It tastes like, ano ba? Cookie dough.
Nasa...
Yeah, I like cookies and cream.
Oh yeah, cookies and cream.
Ako, pistachio.
Oh,
I just ate pistachio. Pero hindi talaga ako mahilig sa mga matatamis. Hindi ako.
Ikaw?
Ano yung akin?
Matcha.
Wow!
Nasa sinagot mo.
Si Winston.
Ako yung sasagot eh. Sinagot mo na.
Ay, matcha ka ba?
Oo.
Okay, handshake niyo yan.
Handshake.
So parehas kayo
Handshake.
matcha lovers?
Hindi. Ano ako, dark chocolate tsaka ube.
Oo.
Ay, dalawa! Sabi, isa!
Isa lang.
Tinanong ka pa niya! Isa lang. Oo. Pero sinabi niya
Dalawa.
Sorry na wala.
Lubos-lubos si
Ube talaga
Winston
ako.
talaga.
Ube.
Grabe.
Hindi, pero chocolate favorite ni Winston.
Kasi nag-chocolate na siya, so kailangan.
Si Racer mo ang favorite niyo?
Strawberry.
Pistachio.
Joke lang.
Cookies and cream kasi panda.
Ice americano.
Let's just do that. Maybe kissing cream.
Pero nung last,
Yeah.
ano yun?
I think we mentioned sometime before.
Right.
Kayo ba guys? What's your favorite?
Tomato flavor. Yeah.
Wow!
Meron ba yun?
Meron ba?
I mean, may tilapia nga eh.
Eh?
Oo. Search nyo, may tilapia flavor na ice cream.
Wow.
Yup.
Mas gusto ko matry yan.
May durian ice cream din.
Sa
chicken
flavor.
Fish ice cream.
Yeah, tilapia flavor.
Sarap yun. Hindi ba
Gusto ko
mahal yun?
matry.
Isa?
Oo, gano'n naman. Maalat-alat.
Malamig.
Oh, dark choco. Actually, dark choco nga din
Malamig
gusto.
na.
Medyo malansa. Ano nga yung nuts?
Rocky Road.
Red Velvet.
Double Dutch.
Yeah, double Dutch. Na ano yung cake. Yun yung favorite na Rister eh. Tinanong ko siya. Sa cake lang, sa cake. Cake nga.
Sorry.
Ice cream nga, bro!
Ice cream cake kasi.
Ice cream.
Pwede naman yun ah.
Hindi pa ako nakakain.
Basta sir.
Eh, ang sarap ng ice cream cake. Natry ko. Choco naman. Masarap.
Choco na bato.
Wow!
Wow.
Vanilla's really good too.
Yeah, I love vanilla too.
So yeah, it's really good.
Mga perfume din.
Perfume. Yeah, perfume flavor is good too.
Perfume!
Meron. Nakay nga?
Pero it's weird kasi perfume is like like smell version ng taste. Diba? Parang binibase nila sa taste. So, why magkakaroon ng perfume flavor kung yung whole purpose ng perfume is to atomize yung flavor?
What are your guys? What are your thoughts on mint choco?
Yo, no!
Yeah, it tastes like ice cream, dude.
Mint choco. Lagi pagka napupunta ako sa isang ice cream shop, meron silang 31 flavors, pero pagpunta ko, isa na lang daw kasi nasold out na yung lahat. Tapos natitira lang yung chocolate because no one buys that.
Chocolate.
Some people buy it.
What ice cream would you not eat? Oh, may spicy ice cream din.
Never. Imagine cold plus spicy.
Yun nga.
That's interesting.
Well, that's Ningyon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, my favorite.
Okra ice cream.
Okra ice cream?
Feel ko meron.
Pero kung maging businessman to, ang dami niyang isip ng mga
Pwede nga yun eh.
product.
Kangkong ice cream.
Kangkong chips.
Kangkong ice.
10 minutes na lang, guys!
Oh my god!
Oh my God!
10, 9, 8 minutes pa.
9 minutes.
Punta tayo sa graduation ni S4V_. Sige, punta kami April. Let's go.
Sobrang Latin.
Sobrang Latino.
Tuntua ako sa term yun. Sobrang
Sobrang Latina, guys.
Sinasabi rin na rin sa mga lalaki to.
Latino.
Latina pa rin.
Latino.
Oo.
But it's supposed to be.
Does Cold have a fan chant? I mean, you could...
Just sing along the hook part. That's
Yeah,
really good.
which we will show now.
Yeah, okay, ready?
Okay, yeah. Are you guys ready to show that?
Let's go.
Yes.
Okay.
It's-
Where do we start?
How did I feel it? So 5, 6, 7, how did I... Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, how did our feelings turn this cold? When you're smiling, gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Hey!
Double speed! 5, 6,
How
how did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Slow-mo. But how did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Hey! Gravity!
Yes.
Victorious!
So, look out for that fan chat, guys. During our performance, please. Sing along, sing along. Namamansin daw mga pogi. Hello po.
Hi!
Hello po. Hello po. Hello guys. Hello. Yan. Yan.
Si Kim, sino ka-chat mo ni Kim?
Ano mo daw? Kasama ng mga comment. Pag-rehearsal ko ito.
Saan i-release?
Oh, ay, di ba?
Okay.
Before. Guys, pero alam nyo, yung MV ng Cold, super init.
Sobra!
Pero mukhang malamig, no?
Yeah. Mas malamig yung Lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Kasi sa Lucky, we shot it sa Korea.
Tata.
But dito sa Pilipinas, and grabe yung sky. Oh, what do you call it? The sky?
Kind
The
of.
Sky Park. Is it a Sky Park, right?
Yeah, the
It's
Sky
a Sky Park which has the football. That was unused back.
Yeah.
We were the first.
one to ever.
Yeah,
Hindi pa nilalabas, guys.
Kasi off, ano siya, off limits pa siya.
Oo, naka-close off pa siya. But now I think people can go na ata ngayon eh.
Oo.
Yeah, and play football.
Yeah, so you can actually see where we shot it at is at the center, the sides, like the whole place. And the whole MOA, if you go to MOA, you can just be like, oh. Well, okay, we have a challenge for you guys. We want you guys to recreate the music video. Go to SM Mall of Asia.
Oh yeah.
Go to the scenes, go to the locations where we shot the music video and remake your own, and we will gladly repost, and
Yes.
we will give you,
like we'll rate it.
we'll
Yeah.
rate it, we're
Yeah.
gonna do content with it.
Yes.
If someone can do a music video, like
Yes.
get 7 people,
Yeah.
Marcus,
Yes.
Bijiro, B Vinci, B Racer, B Winston,
Yes,
B
and-
Kyler and Kit.
You can do like the cover of the dance because it's very simple.
It's very simple.
So you can do it.
And then when you cover the dance, make sure you mention us.
Yes.
Makita na.
Ako ka naman galit.
Sorry ah.
Yeah. Gets nyo ba yung ganito, guys?
Your so
Yeah, it's a small detail. So gumaganda yung kamay. 1 and a 2.
1 and a 2.
and it's cool kasi parang
Yeah.
diba? So
Di ba ganda?
Tapos dapat ganun.
Yeah, so... Kaya, cha... Tapos iba ba ito na? Cha...
Paano kumanta si Winston?
Ayaw naman! Ayaw naman, Ray!
Hindi na rumibat si Winston.
Ano daw?
Hindi na rumiba.
Hindi na rumibat. Hinayaan niyo na lang. Yun na lang.
Hindi, magbago na ako talaga. People change.
Jiro Dam.
Pass is pass ka mo.
Jiro Dam cover.
Soon.
Soon. Maganda yung dance break doon.
Iba nga
Yung
Giro.
super sakit sa tuhod tingnan mo.
Oo, yung parang natatapilok.
SB19 yung... Wow.
Okay guys.
Good luck to your knees.
Anong pakiramdam?
I can't do that. I can't.
4 minutes, guys.
Uy, galing ito mag-blend.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like I felt the bass, you know?
Wow.
One more
Ganda
time.
yung sunod nilang gagawin.
Guys,
Eh,
4
may nahulog.
minutes left.
Pinahulog na pato.
Sorry, nakita ko yung may filter ako. may duck sa
May
may
duck.
duck. Oh, funny. Sorry. Daling. Daling. Hype up.
Dailing.
Ay, nang igiling-giling.
That's the wrong song. Oh, maybe it's stemmed from that.
Ay, we?
Diba? Sige, igiling.
that's tayo ng
Maybe it's like
Ah.
inspired by that.
Yeah, that's amazing. Wow.
We need our own take of that. Yeah.
We should, yeah.
I mean, spaghetti giniling.
3 minutes na lang guys.
Yeah, I'm not good.
3 minuto.
Okay, inintay lang namin matunaw yung ice cream talaga sa unan namin, bro.
We're just waiting for the ice cream.
When? Next live.
Ayan, may isa. May there.
Hindi pa tapos nung live na ito. Hintay na nila yung next. Wait lang guys, ito muna tayo.
Hello.
Hello. But what do you guys wanna do? Wanna see? We had collabs. Kasi it's been a long time since Cold was actually out to the world. But not on streaming platforms and music video at all. Like we performed it during our last concert sa Mo Arena. It was November 3. And we performed it there alongside our other new single, Too Cool to Care. And that is also going to be very, very, very soon.
Very soon.
But we don't know what soon means.
And
it could mean 6 months or less.
It could mean next year.
It could be next year.
But one thing's for sure, it's gonna be out.
Yeah, it's gonna be out.
It's gonna be out.
And yeah, we're excited to do that too because it's something that is a contrast of what we're going to be doing now. Because Cold is very chill and it's probably one of our most chillest songs.
It
I mean, of
is.
course, except for the ballads like Salamat and Mama.
Yeah.
Cold is one of the most easy songs.
Yeah. And just like easy in general, like the dance, because it's just all about like just chill, like vibes.
Yeah, we could just like have so much fun doing it because we don't sweat and everything. So I hope when we go out to perform Cold, you guys will be there. And yeah, it's gonna be out in 1 minute.
Yes,
So we
sir.
open the ice cream.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What flavor is it?
Ito ay salted caramel.
How about that?
Guys,
Uy, chocolate pre!
Thank you sa mga nagtatap-tap, guys.
Chocolate, yung parang yung
I love you guys.
chocolate. Oh. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Tap-tap na screen.
Wow.
Yung mga nagsasend ng
Doon ako sa
heart
chocolate.
at mga gifts.
Wait,
Thank you, guys.
mamaya.
I didn't know.
Guys, i-ready nyo na yung mga spoon nyo.
Come on.
Expert. Guys, ang course.
Si ano?
Walang-wala, pre.
Sorry.
Hindi, bigyan natin. Yung
Iyak na siya.
Ito.
Bigyan natin mamaya sa
Ito para,
Tira kayo ang register.
Okay, Kuya Racer's spoon is there with you guys.
Uy, expired na.
Hey! Gravity!
Yan na, 5 na!
Uy!
Lahat tayo yan!
Go.
Okay, wait, let's do ano. 3, 2, 1. Hold this out.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold this out, okay?
3,
2, 1.
Hold this out!
Let's go!
Ice cream eating part. Oh my God! Akin yan! Oh my God!
Toshimi!
You're my phone!
Grabe, parang nakataka sa
Oh, amazing.
Sarap.
Wow, amazing. Sobrang Latina.
Sarap.
Ano yung pagkain?
Siopaw.
Prime Siopaw.
Ito pa, next pa. Isa pa, last na.
Siopaw flavor.
Okay, next. No. Salted caramel.
Ha?
Take two.
Okay.
Ano naman? Tagalog version. Labas na ang...
Labas na!
Labas ang lamig. Okay.
Labas na.
1, 2, 3.
Labas
na ang lamig!
Grab yung nag-show pa with yun, nag-ice cream. Grabe siguro.
Wow. Very salty. It tastes like parang...
Busong pa siya.
Parang papel. Parang...
You need to stop. Guys, we're going to be watching the music video. We haven't watched it, but well, I have.
I haven't.
They haven't.
Yeah.
I've watched the music video.
I have.
And
Me too.
yeah, we're gonna be watching.
Love you guys.
Bye-bye.
Watch the music video
Bye,
now.
guys.
Watch it now.
So good.
Wow.
You're so good. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye guys!
Lumakita mo mga kabar. Ayan, guys. Bye-bye guys. Love you.
Bye-bye!
Thank you guys sa mga nanood, sa mga nag-share and follow, and good luck. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Thank you sa Gibbs. Thank you sa Gibbs. Saka sa mga nag-tap-tap.
Tap, 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 tap.